Natural face mask, honey and lemon. The benefits of honey and lemon mask on face. Honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great to use for acne. Honey speeds up your skin cells' healing processes and helps the skin become smooth. Lemons are filled with AHA and BHA, which remove dead skin cells and help clear up blackheads, acne, and discoloration. Let's start and follow me by washing and cleaning the face first. The ingredients: 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 to 2 drops of lemon essential oil, or squeeze a half lemon. Mix the ingredients and mix 1 tablespoon of organic raw honey and half a squeezed lemon into a bowl. And apply all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Apply to face and let sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash face and do mild face massage. Be careful to avoid direct sun exposure within 24 hours after using the mask, as lemon oil is photosensitive to the sun.